This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your notes at the same time in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet, and notice that I have 3 cells with notes. And if you want to learn more about notes and how to put them in your document, you can click the card above or the link in your description. If you want to delete all of the notes that you have in your document at the same time, what you do is you highlight all of the cells where you want to delete the notes, then go to Edit, then go to Delete, then select Notes. When you do that, all of those notes are now gone. So this video shows you how to delete all of your notes at the same time in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.